Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today is Friday and it's for our DIY mom. Okay, so we have another video again for the DIY mom, guys. And today, we're going to transform our mini refrigerator from this to this. So if you're excited to watch the video, so please keep on watching. So what we're going to prepare is sandpaper, Pilox paint, or any spray paint or paint intended for appliances. This paint, spray paint, is the one that I'm using, and I chose the silver gray because it's nearer sa ano ko. I thought dark yung nakuha ko pero lighter pala. Oh my god. And another thing, you're going to prepare for two cloth for wiping all the dirts. Make sure that you're going to wipe all the dirts. Yung sand, isa-sand nyo talaga ng maayos, especially yung mga ano ba ng taya sa Tagalog basta taya, rust in English. You're going to sand it out so that the surface will be even. And of course, don't forget to protect the perimeter wherein yung hindi nyo pipinturahan. So, if ready na lahat, if tapos na kayong maglinis ng surface, yung sand, ready na kayo for painting. By the way guys, first time ko to na nagganito. So, I'm not a pro. Disclaimer, I'm not a pro. First time ko tong ginawa. So, pagbigyan nyo ako if hindi siya totally perfect. But I tried my very best to do it. Okay? So, without further ado, let's hop into the video. So, first, you're going to clean the surface thoroughly, as in thorough na thorough. Huwag niyong kalimutan kunin yung mga ano-ano dyan. After that, use a clean cloth, wipe everything out, make sure na walang moisture, and then isand nyo yung rust na. Isand nyo yung mga rust. And after that, pagkatapos yung isand, kasi to make sure na wala siyang bump sa para to make it ready for the paint. And then after that, after sanding, wipe nyo naman ng cloth na hindi basa or yung dry na cloth to make sure na wala talagang dust. After that, you're going to start painting. Advice ko lang, huwag nyong gawin yung ginawa ko kasi dapat pala it's better na thin layer ang pag-paint nyo, but then hindi naman super fast kasi ang ginawa ko at first super fast, and then I noticed na malaki yung gap nila. So, in-adjustan ko yung speed ko at saka yung distance ko. So, make sure that ang distance niya 20 to 30 cm from the appliances, and then make sure na steady yung kamay nyo sa paggawa. Ako kasi first time to, pero I was hoping na hopefully sa second layer mako-correct yung hands ko sa paggamit ng First time ko kaya, wag mag-judge. After the first spray or first layer, you need to wait for 10 minutes, let it dry, and then para hindi siya magbabubbles, pagkatapos nun, after 10 minutes, balik ka na naman sa second coat. And then, the same process what I did, but then, mas wiser na ako sa second round. So, ang ginawa ko after second round, 10 minutes na naman. And then, yung third, gumawa lang ako ng 3 layer para hindi naman siya gaanong makapal. And so far, I was so very happy with the result. Ito na yung result niya, guys. Ang problema ko lang, hindi ko na nakuha lahat. Yung dapat pala talaga, you need to sand talaga ng sand. Kasi meron pang nakikita na yung parang scratch. Hindi siya totally. Pero so far, happy naman ako sa naging resulta. So, ito na yun, guys. Hopefully, you enjoy the video and I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for supporting DIY Mom. Make sure to tune in every Friday for this video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you will be updated with the next video. So, see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye for now. Sarang he.